Hi guys, do you still find fixing false eyelashes on yourself a struggle in 2023? There's no shame in that, guys. I was a newbie once upon a time. Let me put you through how to fix a false eyelashes on yourself the right way. So in this video, I am going to be talking about the fit. I'm going to be talking about types of lashes. I'm going to be talking about adhesive, how to fix it, and how to remove your eyelashes. So
something that makes me look at you too out there. Baby, you can get.
So false eyelashes really do a lot when it comes to makeup. When you apply false eyelashes, it brings out your makeup and it makes it look really nice. So guys, in this video, I am going to be showing you 3 methods to apply false eyelashes so you can choose the one that best resonates with you and your level of expertise. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Something like this lash tray, you are able to pick your choice and you are able to graduate from being a beginner to intermediate. So you're looking from this side, you see that this looks really light from here upward and from here, and it gradually graduates to a more defined lash. First eyelashes applicator, you need a tweezers and you need a small scissors. So for this one here, this is what you use to trim your eyelashes to fit your eyes, and this tweezers is what will help you to place the eyelashes directly to your lid. If these are what will hold your lashes to your lid, this one comes in black, gray, and it dries to black, and this comes in transparent, comes in white, and it dries to transparent. So as a beginner, go for the one that dries to transparent, because if this stains your lid, it dries clear, so it will not be obvious, as opposed to this one. When this dries, it gives you that an illusion of you have an eyeliner, liquid eyeliner on. So as a beginner, I will not advise you use it because it can be very messy, and once it stains your eyes, especially when you have a colorful eyeshadow on, it's going to be a lot difficult to take off, and while you're trying to take it off, it's going to peel the eyeshadow off and reveal your skin. So when it comes to fixing your lashes, get the ones that are light, and you can basically graduate to the ones that are more obvious and more stylish. So when you are taking your eyelashes, you're going to need to peel it backward carefully, like so. The fit is basically measuring these lashes against your own eyelashes just to see if it fits. Some lash band are longer than our lash line, so you want to measure it. If you don't do that, it's going to poke you in your inner eye and it's going to irritate your eye and you will feel so uncomfortable. So you want to make sure you measure it with your eyes first. Okay, so measuring this with my eye shows that I will need to take a little bit off at the outer part of my eyes here. So when you are taking off from here, you need to use this scissors to take off this little band that is sticking out from here. It's going to poke if you don't do that. Then cutting off to fit your eyelid, you already know where this extends to. So when you're cutting from the outer part, not from the inner part. When you cut a little at a time. Don't go ahead and cut so much, just cut a little at a time, and when you measure it again, you find out that it's still sticking out a lot more than what you would want on your lid. Then go ahead and take out more. So I'm going to take out this like so. Can you see? Measure it again to see if it fits the eyelid. Okay, so this is perfect, guys. This is perfect because you have to, if you don't cut out that extension, it's going to make your eye look droopy. The ones you cut out, don't throw them away. They'll be useful in the future. Might not be now that you're still practicing it. You place it on the line of the lashes. Place it on the line here, and this dries like really fast. Then the edges of the lashes here, these are the part that usually stick out quickly. You want to add a little bit of that. So guys, when you're placing it, you are aiming towards this part of your lash. Don't place the lashes on your own lashes. So what you need to do, because you're just starting, stretch out your lid like so. Close this one, use one eye to look at it, then place it there. Make sure you place it as close as possible to your lashes, but not on your lashes. Down for some seconds. Once the middle is secured, can you see? Then you can now go ahead and start pinching the inner corners to the right place where they need to be. pinch this to this part as well. This is really nice. You can see how this just added that extra glam to this eye. There are different lash style and how thick or how light it is to your own comfort. So if you are somebody that this looks too much for you, their lashes are a lot shorter than this, a lot lighter than this, and less obvious than this, that when you even fix it you won't even know. Nobody will be able to tell you're wearing a false eyelashes. The next step is to go ahead and own lashes is pressed together with the falsies. This is the first method of fixing lashes, so I'm going to show you guys the second method. To apply your false eyelashes using method number 2, just take out your adhesive, stretch out your lid and place it on your lid. Apply the lash adhesive exactly how you would apply your eyeliner. You can see that I'm not going above the eyeliner. I'm placing it below the eyeliner, and it's very close to my lashes, but I'm not placing it on my lashes. Pick up your lashes, hold it with the tweezers like this. See, you can now go ahead and stretch out that lid and just follow through with where you apply the adhesive. You can see it's going to grab hold the lashes really fast. So this is, I think this is the easiest one. This helps to apply your lashes really fast. So the same way you press this, you also want to press this down, or go ahead and pinch your lashes with the false eyelashes. Simple. So you notice when I was applying my lash adhesive, I placed it here on this part here, right? So now when you are doing this method, this third method, you need to place it in the inner part, not here, because if you place it here, that means you are placing it above. But if you place it in the inner part, it means you're taking it underneath your eyes. So let me flip it back. So I flip it back and I'm going to apply it in this. I switch up my tweezers so I'll be able to see what I am doing. Okay, once you apply your lash glue, always wait for like 10-20 seconds for the adhesive to get stuck. Wait to check if your adhesive is stuck. If you find it lifting, can you see, it means that it's time. I'm going to lift my eye up a bit and fix this directly under my lashes, not under my waterline. So once you do that, connect the edges. Can you see that it's placed on my lashes and not on my waterline? If you place it on your waterline, it's going to make you super uncomfortable. So this is how you place your eyelashes, and you can just go around and adjust it to your comfort. So guys, this is this is how to fix your eyelashes. Let me know in the comment section which of these methods best suits you the most, or which one have you been doing, or which one do you want to learn, which one are you looking at learning because of the way you see it on me. For me, I always vibe this one. I always vibe this one because it gives you the most natural look, provided you're able to get a hang of it. It gives you the most natural look, and you can tell by the way it looks like I am wearing an eyelash extension. So guys, what do you think about this method? Let me know in the comment section. To take off your eyelashes,
Something, baby, I do right all the time.